to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik and educationist and motivator. Dear students, in the stream of passive voice, today I am taking your sentences which are to be changed from active voice to passive voice in future tenses. Actually, in future tenses, there are two tenses in which we change active voice sentences into passive voice. First one, that is future indefinite, and second one is future perfect. And in future continuous and in future perfect continuous, there is no change in active voice sentences, and those are always in active voice, are not changed into passive voice. Now I am taking your future indefinite. In future indefinite, I take sentence. It will be in 6 sentences: positive, negative, interrogative, again interrogative, interrogative negative, again interrogative negative. And there will be series of sentences in singular number. Again there will be series of 6 sentences into plural number. But here we all have to know, we must know helping verbs in future indefinite: will and shall. Shall is used with I and we pronouns, and will is used with all other subjects, means all other persons. In future indefinite, in passive voice, there will be helping verbs will be and shall be. Now I am taking your sentences. Sita will sing a song. A song will be sung by Sita. A song will not be sung by Sita. Will a song be sung by Sita? Why will a song be sung by Sita? Will a song not be sung by Sita? Why will a song not be sung by Sita? Actually, it was in positive, negative, interrogative, interrogative, interrogative and negative, interrogative and negative. And here you saw the use of will be. Now I am taking the sentence in which there will be use of shall be. Rama will teach me. I shall be taught by Rama. I shall not be taught by Rama. Shall I be taught by Rama? Why shall I be taught by Rama? Shall I not be taught by Rama? Why shall I not be taught by Rama? Now you all have seen that I have taken 2 sentences, and in first one there was use of will be, and in second one there was use of shall be. In the same way I am taking your future perfect tense. In future perfect tense, there will be helping verbs. In passive voice sentences, will have been, shall have been. Will have been will be used with all the persons excluding I and we, and shall have been will be used with only I and we. These 2 words are the persons in first person pronoun list, and the sentence will be in series: positive, negative, interrogative, again interrogative, then interrogative negative, again interrogative and negative. Sita will have sung a song. A song will have been sung by Sita. A song will not have been sung by Sita. Will a song have been sung by Sita? Why will a song have been sung by Sita? Will a song not have been sung by Sita? Why will a song not have been sung by Sita? These are 6 sentences. And I am taking now where there will be use of shall have been. The teacher will have taught me. I shall have been taught by the teacher. I shall not have been taught by the teacher. Shall I have been taught by the teacher? Why shall I have been taught by the teacher? Shall I not have been taught by the teacher? Why shall I not have been taught by the teacher? These are 6 sentences. Actually, there is the series of sentences, and again I would like to revise all the tenses. In present indefinite, there will be helping verb is, are, am, is with singular, are with plural, am with pronoun I. In present continuous, there will be is being, are being, am being. Is being with singular number, are being with plural number, am being with pronoun I. And present perfect has been, have been. Past indefinite was, were. Past continuous was being, were being. Past perfect had been with both the numbers. Future indefinite will be, shall be. Future perfect will have been, shall have been. Now we all have to know there are 4 tenses where there is no change in active voice sentences into passive voice. Present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, and future continuous tense. Let's finish this topic, passive voice. Dear students, if you listen this video, then you may gain perfection in future tense, especially in 2 tenses, future indefinite and future perfect, how to change active voice sentences into passive voice. In making this video, Mr. Naveen Vasisth has cooperated a lot, so I say thanks to him and thank you very much to you all. Thanks.